Maximizing profits with Six Sigma. How can our operations performance consultants drive efficiency savings? We delve into the heart of your operations, identifying leaks and inefficiencies that bleed money. Imagine your company, streamlined, efficient, saving millions. That's the power of operations performance consultants and Six Sigma. Through meticulous analysis and innovative strategies, we transform complex processes into models of efficiency. Our team of experts employs Six Sigma methodologies, a tested path to operational excellence and significant savings. We don't just advise, we implement solutions that lead to measurable, sustainable improvements, directly impacting your bottom line. Imagine the possibilities with millions saved. Reinvest in growth, innovation, or your team. The choice becomes yours. Let us be your partner in this journey. At Boatner Industries, our operations performance consultants ensure that efficiency and savings meet. For project management consulting, contact us today.